Hi everyone. Today I'm doing a little unboxing because Molly from James Stationery sent me this kit to make, it's a little Christmas card, I believe. And the box was so cute. I'm like, I just want to open this on camera. So I'm going to put the link to this specific card and some other kits that she has on her website. I'll put this in the description, but let's open this up. Let's see, I opened it up and I'm like, okay. When I buy a kit in the mail, and it's packaged this nicely, I'm gonna open it on camera. I haven't even looked at this yet, so I'm not sure what kit it's for. I bet, let's see. I'm gonna break the seal here. Ooh, I hate doing that. All right, and what's in this kit is the instructions, and let me see, card kit instructions, and it has all of the, yeah, it's just like a step-by-step thing. It says you will need some glue, like a glue stick or double-sided tape. It has cards. It has 6 cards. It has 6 envelopes to go with the cards. Everything is packaged so nicely. And it's got this is, I guess, the set of the paper ephemera that goes with it to make the card. So I'm going to break that seal. And let's see what this is. Okay, so this is, oh, this is a little envelope. That's a cute envelope. Even the packaging is, the packaging for the components are cute. So, okay, so this has ribbon in it. So it's a little envelope full of ribbons, and that's fabric ribbons, it's not paper. And then she's got, let's see, there's some nutcracker graphics. And so there's 6 of those. And I'll find a picture of the finished product and put it on there. And then there are 6 pink cards. I'm not sure what this is for. I guess you put these on the inside maybe. And I would follow the instructions. If I was going to make this, I'd follow the instructions. And then there's this little container that has, let me see, it looks like Band-Aids from a distance. And I think it is, oh, it's not a Band-Aid. It's a little adhesive. It's got an adhesive on the back. That's what looked like the Band-Aid. I'm like, why is there a Band-Aid in here? And it says, oh, what fun on it. It's like gold glitter with pink. And you put this, that's really cute. And it's got, everything is basically, you just put this together. This would be a really cute kit. I was going to say it's got a little rhinestone. My brain works faster than my mouth sometimes. This would be a really cute kit for kids because I can tell right away that everything is there. And if you sat down with a little kid, you could do this because there's not a whole lot of stuff that looks like it needs to be cut. I don't think there's anything that needs to be cut. It's all made for you already. Oh, I see. Okay, see on the thing here? The pink is behind the nutcrackers, and then you put the ribbon and the little adhesive thing on the top. So that's pretty simple. And this is a kind of kit that you could do with kids for a DIY Christmas card. That would be easy for younger kids. Once you did it with them once, it's going to be crooked. Grandparents love that. If you give the grandparents a card that the grandchild made, and it's crooked, oh, that's the best. Okay, so don't worry about perfection. That's the one thing I would say. If you are an adult doing this, it's going to be perfect. It's going to look nice and lined up. If you give this to a kid who's little and they need a little bit of help, it's going to be crooked. Don't worry about it. Let them do it. Don't do it for them. Let them be creative. And I think this is completely aside from the kit. But as a parent, that's the hardest thing, is to let them do it by themselves. But just let them do it by themselves. It doesn't matter if it's crooked. All the pieces are here. They don't need to be cut. I mean, everything is ready for you to do. Give them a glue stick and let them go to town. Guess what? They might put this behind this. It's okay. It doesn't hurt anything. And like I said, the grandparents are going to love it no matter what. And it's just a really fun kit. And like, it's also for grown-ups. If you want to do a really cute card that you're not going to be able to find at the store for your friends, like, this is glitter and rhinestones, you know. Who doesn't like shiny things? It's very cute. So anyway, I wanted to show you that. I will put the links to her website in the description of this video. She has other kits for different seasons, but I asked her to send me a Christmas one because I know that people do DIY stuff at Christmas. So go ahead and check that out. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later.